Food and beverage manufacturing requires balancing two completely opposed forces. On one side, you have perfectly rigid retail pricing architectures. On the other, you have highly variable biological and chemical commodity inputs. This physical and chemical variation directly drives the industry's three primary profit killers, including yield loss, product contamination issues, and packaging or labeling errors. I am a Master Black Belt from Six Sigma Development Solutions Incorporated. In this video, we will examine how the world's most efficient manufacturing plants mathematically eliminate these profit killers. We start with lean. Lean is the systematic elimination of waste and non-value-added steps to reduce process cycle times. Six Sigma operates alongside this, focusing on the targeted reduction of process variability. The mathematical goal is precise, achieving a statistical limit of just 3.4 defects per million opportunities. When these disciplines merge, they optimize the cost of poor quality and stabilize factory throughput. This integration transforms mandatory safety structures like SIPOC from a passive regulatory checklist into an active, profit-saving process optimizer. The mechanism for achieving this is the DMAIC framework, shown here as a 5-pillar roadmap. This is a rigorous architecture used to identify root causes. Without perfect calibration in the measure phase, all subsequent data is compromised. The resulting root cause analysis will be mathematically flawed, leading to expensive and incorrect solutions. The framework then moves to the analyze phase. Its purpose is to separate the primary physical drivers of quality variability from standard background noise. Statistical tools like ANOVA isolate specific physical root causes from the dataset. Once isolated, the improve phase designs targeted operational interventions to eliminate them. We use design of experiments to model nonlinear recipe interactions, finding the exact balance between ingredient moisture levels and oven bake times. Simultaneously, techniques like SMED/equipment changeover times. Finally, the control phase prevents regression, utilizing real-time X-bar charts on filling lines to track stability. Completing the DMAIC cycle permanently replaces operational guesswork with a mathematically enforced standard. To see this applied to biological variability, we can examine a high-volume custard bond manufacturer in Taiwan. The facility faced an unacceptable product shrinkage defect rate, establishing a baseline failure rate of 0.45%. The manufacturer applied the strict step-by-step DMAIC phases to isolate the exact process variation causing the dough to shrink. Within 6 months of implementing the targeted controls, the defect rate dropped to 0.141%. Achieving a 70% reduction in waste proves that DMAIC methodology successfully controls highly volatile biological and baking processes. A French macaron bakery suffered a massive monthly cost of poor quality at a low 2.50 sigma level. The analyze phase deconstructed this loss. Cracked shells caused 53.7% of waste, hollow shells 16.3%, and shells with no feet 16.1%. During the improve phase, the team utilized the Taguchi method, a specific form of design of experiments, to calculate perfect manufacturing settings to resolve these structural defects. The data identified the optimal mechanical parameter. The batter required low-level mixing at exactly 80 RPM. It also identified optimal thermal parameters, exactly 12 minutes of baking at 203 degrees Celsius. Locking in these parameters eradicated structural defects, converting over 34,000 euros in losses back into retained revenue. Statistical tools like design of experiments are not academic theories. They are literal mechanisms for recovering tens of thousands of dollars in lost monthly revenue. Organizations make 3 critical mistakes adopting Six Sigma. First, silo in quality. We must implement 6S HACCP, embedding risk mitigation into standard work. Second, skipping measurement system analysis, which compromises all data. Third, forcing rigid ISO timelines. Schedules must accommodate biological realities, like fermentation. Anticipating and avoiding these specific sector pitfalls separates a failed corporate initiative from a genuine operational transformation. Lean Six Sigma functions as the ultimate operational shield against the food industry's biggest profit killers. The DMAIC framework provides a strict, math-based roadmap for isolating both chemical and mechanical variations on the production floor. Integrating these tools into existing HACCP frameworks upgrades safety compliance from a reactive chore to active, predictive quality control. This text from the academic source literature examines these methodologies directly. It highlights how effective implementation of Lean Six Sigma enhances food safety protocols and improves overall competitiveness and sustainability in the market. In today's high-volume, low-margin environment, statistical process control is no longer an optional upgrade. It is the baseline requirement for survival. Implementing these methodologies at a world-class standard requires formal, standardized training. As an industry expert, I recommend the training programs provided by my firm, Six Sigma Development Solutions, Incorporated. We have an extensive global track record, having trained more than 4,000 practitioners across 52 countries. Formal certification ensures your operations team isn't just learning abstract theory, but mastering how to execute this exact caliber of operational excellence on the floor. Visit the website displayed on screen to begin your organizational certification journey. True process excellence cannot be bought with new machinery. It is built by equipping your leaders with the right methodological tools.